In regards to the film The Upside, I wanted to give another uh, conclusion to the other film, The Untouchables. It's a 2011 like comedy drama, and it's about how a very wealthy man who is disabled is on a journey to like, not journey, but like just to find a caregiver who respects him and sees him as like, you know, an equal level, like not to see them beneath or lower than. But both characters just develop a mutual trust and respect for one another, which piqued my interest in learning more about like how the relationship between caregivers and patients are. And in one scene when they separated, the main character, he was like completely like just not having it with anyone else. Like people were talking to him like as if he was a kid or like, and I was just like, ugh, that's not it. This made me look up the article Effectiveness of Home-Based Occupational Therapy for Early Discharged Patients with Stroke. And in fact, the results showed that caregiver efficacy is predicted by perceived burden of patients. But they were contributed mainly to the functional performance of the clients, which reflected a lot on their well-being. One good thing they did was that they had only caregivers with more than 5 years of experience for specifically like stroke rehabilitation. They had those caregivers talk with them, which was also, you know, like very important for when you're working with someone who's also dealing with a life change or something that's just like very like hard to deal with and like come to terms with. And not only that, it ends up being more cost effective because the amount of like patients who have to go back into like a facility for like another reoccurring fall, it happens a lot, which is why exercising a healthy lifestyle is important.